In this video, I'm going to show how to take great close-ups of flowers with just a telephoto zoom lens. Although we recommend that you use a macro lens for proper close-up shots, I'm going to prove that sometimes all you need is a telephoto zoom lens that will let you focus close enough for your subjects. Find a colourful flower in full bloom to focus on. But rather than a bunch, I always find that one flower provides a clearer focal point and a better shot. And for larger flower heads like this purple allium, you don't actually need to be able to focus super close with a dedicated macro lens. Now this part is key. Position yourself so the flower has a dark, clean background behind it to provide contrast so the flower's colours remain dominant. For close-up flower shots, a tripod not only helps you keep your camera still for sharper shots, it also helps you compose more accurately, especially when you're using live view for pinpoint focusing. I zoomed in all the way using my Canon 24-105mm f4L series lens. I also used the Canon EOS 7D, so with its APS-C 1.6x crop factor, the 105mm telephoto becomes an effective focal length of nearly 170mm. The longer the focal length, the bigger the flowers will appear in your frame. The angle of view is also reduced, which means you'll include less background, helping to make your flowers more prominent in shot. I shot in AV mode at a wide aperture of f5.6, which provides a nice shallow depth of field, but with enough depth of focus to ensure the majority of the flower head is sharp. Combined with the longer focal length, this creates more background blur so your flowers stand out proudly from their surroundings. In my back garden, I shot before breakfast for some low, soft morning light. I prefer to shoot into the sun as I find backlighting is better for more artistic and evocative flower photos. Make sure you use a lens hood to reduce the flare from the sun. Or you can shoot with your back to the sun for a more traditional flower shot. Finally, I used a reflector to brighten up the flower head by bouncing some light back into the shadows. Putting all these techniques together, I captured this final shot. So I've proven that you don't need a dedicated macro lens to take great close-ups of flowers. Why don't you go and try it yourself?